Hello guys, welcome to the channel. Today we are going to unbox Boat Bassheads 235. Boat Bassheads comes in 4 colors, that is red, blue, black and silver. Today we are going to unbox the silver color variant. One of the best earphone under sub 1000 rupees category. The earphones are available on Amazon for the price of around 500 to 600 rupees. As you open the box, you get the earphone and the tips of the earphone are made up of metal, and in the box you get various sizes of ear tips to adjust for your comfort, and at last you get a warranty card from Boat which is for 1 year. Boat Bassheads 230 and 235 are both same apart from the design changes. And now let us check the audio quality of the earphones. Clarity of the earphone is best in its price range and the bass is good. Subscribe to the channel for more. Thank you.